You are guilty for the offense of not taking inadequate care of your electric equipment for a period of 10 years.
But you are just a robotic organism. You just can't sentence me like that. Imagine a courtroom where decisions aren't made by humans, but by advanced algorithms. A future where artificial intelligence is the judge, rather than the people we've entrusted with the power to decide our fate. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most controversial debates of the modern era: should we replace human judges with AI? Could AI be the key to eliminating biases, speeding up trials, and ensuring fairer outcomes for everyone? Or are we opening a Pandora's box, risking the very essence of human judgment and empathy? Let's explore the pros, cons, and the ethical dilemmas behind the idea of AI-powered justice. Stick around till the end, you won't want to miss our take on this bold step into the future.
As AI technology advances, its role in the legal system is growing, with both benefits and challenges. Key areas where AI intersects with law include: 1. Legal research and document review. AI tools help lawyers by quickly reviewing vast amounts of documents, improving efficiency and accuracy. 2. Predictive analytics. AI models predict case outcomes based on past data, though concerns about fairness and bias persist. 3. Sentencing and parole decisions. AI systems assist in sentencing and parole evaluations, but may risk perpetuating biases in the criminal justice system. 4. Automation of legal procedures. AI automates basic legal tasks like drafting documents and resolving small claims, increasing accessibility. 5. AI as judge or arbitrator. AI could potentially replace human judges, offering objectivity, but it raises concerns about the lack of human empathy and ethical judgment. 6. Intellectual property law. With AI-created content, new questions arise about ownership and intellectual property rights. How AI judges could work. Data-driven decision-making. AI judges would rely on vast amounts of legal data, including laws, regulations, past rulings, and case precedents, to assess cases. They would analyze the facts of a case, compare them to similar cases, and apply relevant laws to suggest or decide on a verdict. Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning would enable AI judges to continuously improve over time. By learning from new cases, feedback, and judicial outcomes, AI systems could adapt their reasoning, potentially becoming more accurate and fair in future decisions. Natural language processing, NLP. AI judges would use natural language processing to understand written and spoken language, making it easier for them to interpret legal documents, testimonies, and arguments. This would allow AI systems to process complex legal jargon and nuances more efficiently than a human judge. Bias detection and mitigation. AI could help identify and reduce bias by analyzing patterns in human decisions. By reviewing historical data, AI could spot potential racial, gender, or socioeconomic biases in previous rulings and avoid repeating these errors in new cases. Automation of routine tasks. AI could handle more routine aspects of the judicial process, such as sorting through evidence, managing procedural paperwork, and determining sentencing based on predefined guidelines. This would free up human judges to focus on more complex cases or provide oversight. Artificial judges, or AI in legal decision-making, face several challenges. 1. Bias and fairness. AI may replicate or amplify biases in historical data, leading to unfair outcomes. 2. Transparency and accountability. AI's black box nature makes it difficult to understand or hold accountable for decisions. 3. Ethical considerations. AI lacks human judgment and empathy, struggling with morally complex cases. 4. Legal precedents. AI may have difficulty interpreting evolving legal principles, requiring constant human oversight. 5. Security risks. AI systems are vulnerable to manipulation, compromising judicial integrity. 6. Public trust. People may be uncomfortable with machines making legal decisions affecting their rights. 7. Adaptability. AI may struggle to keep up with changing laws and new legal issues. 8. Emotional intelligence. AI cannot fully process human emotions, which are critical in certain legal cases. 9. Data privacy. Handling sensitive personal information could raise privacy concerns. These challenges highlight the difficulty in fully automating legal decision-making while maintaining fairness, transparency, and ethics. Comparison between human judges and AI judges. Human judges and AI judges each have distinct advantages and limitations in the judicial process. 1. Decision-making process. Human judges apply emotional intelligence, experience, and intuition, considering case nuances. AI judges rely on data-driven patterns and consistently apply rules based on logic and precedents. 2. Bias and fairness. Human judges may carry personal biases, but bring diverse perspectives to ensure fairness. AI judges can minimize bias, but may inadvertently reinforce biases if trained on biased data. 3. Efficiency and speed. Human judges can be slower and affected by fatigue, especially with complex cases. AI judges process data rapidly, offering consistent productivity without fatigue. 4. Interpretation of the law. Human judges can adapt the law flexibly based on context and societal changes. AI judges apply laws literally and may struggle with new or evolving legal issues. 5. Accountability and transparency. Human judges are accountable through oversight, with decisions that can be reviewed and critiqued. AI judges lack accountability, and their decision-making process may be less transparent. 6. Cost. Human judges involve higher costs due to salaries and resources. AI judges may lower operational costs but require significant investment to develop and implement. Conclusion. Human judges provide empathy, flexibility, and nuanced decision-making, making them ideal for complex cases. AI judges excel in efficiency, consistency, and data processing, making them useful for simpler cases. A hybrid approach, combining both, could enhance the judicial system's fairness, speed, and transparency.
So what would happen if the AI judges take over? What they do better than the present context? In this video we have described how AI judges could work, so what would you think? Comment below and thanks for watching.